Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and today we have a budget little toy grade quadcopter to share with you guys. This is a Wi-Fi FPV brushed motor, pretty traditional classic quadcopter. I don't know if there's going to be a lot of bells and whistles with this, but that's what we do here on the RC Sailors. We like to find things like this to show you because sometimes they're amazing and sometimes they're not worth your money. So we want to find out in this video to see if it is worth your hard-earned money or not. This comes in around $40, and as you can see by the plastered little logo there on here, it's a 2.4 gigahertz quadcopter. I do like how it looks. This reminds me a lot of Abby's old favorite ballerina drone.
That was forever ago.
Sima drone. You remember that?
I remember
that was a nice one. It's just really light plastic. You know, it has a little bubble lights on the bottom. It's a geared brushed motor, but a lot of times something like this is a good one for someone's first time quadcopter. It does come with its own transmitter. This one does not have altitude hold, so it's pretty much just like your little ballerina quad. I mean, that's really what it is. Now we have a few buttons down here that aren't actually buttons. It's all just going to be the trims doubling as buttons and the buttons up here. My favorite thing about this probably is the alligator chip clip for your phone. They just work so well. You can put just about any size phone, including big phones, in here, and they hold on to them so well. I always trust those more than any other type, so big thumbs up for that. We also get 4 spare props. The instructions are right here. We have prop guards that I recommend for new flyers. They're going to help save your quad a little longer. We have landing gear and a screwdriver in here with screws to put the landing gear on to help protect the camera. And yeah, it does come with a camera. This just plugs into the bottom of the drone, and then you connect your phone to the Wi-Fi signal that the drone emits, just like your own home Wi-Fi. So you can fly out in the middle of the desert. You don't have to have internet access or cell phone service to fly the FPV.
It looks like the camera can manually tilt.
It does tilt, yes.
Cool.
And it probably saves directly to your phone, as I don't see any memory card slot on there. And then we have this little, here are the 2 screws to hold the camera on, and we have a 500 milliamp 3.7 volt, that's 1 cell LiPo battery. I like this because Abby and I have like 30 of these batteries. We stocked up on them because it's a pretty common size battery. We caught a good sale on them, and they're good name brand batteries. So if you want, we'll link those in the description box below for you guys to check out, along with the quadcopter. So there you have it. That's everything that comes in the box for $40. I think that's a really good deal. But we need to see if it flies okay. So let's get this in the air. I think this is worth pointing out because it's frustrating to me. I think it'd be frustrating to other people. The way you install the camera is very annoying. You have to plug the wire in there, and then you have to, it doesn't open all the way. You have to kind of pop the screw down in here. It's just very hard to get to. I did one side, but I'm struggling with the other. Thought you guys would like to know that. We'll go fly it in just a minute. All right, taking off. It's a very nice little lightweight, docile, quiet little flyer. It's not bad at all. Remember, non-altitude hold, I'm just flying. The lights are blinking. I find that weird for them to be blinking.
And after all that work of Nathan putting the camera on, we found that the camera footage doesn't save to my phone. It saves to the within the app.
Right.
So unless you have a screen recorder, it is impossible to access it.
Right. I'm gonna fly around.
So we're not even bothering with the app. It looked like inside the app it had like voice control and stuff, but usually
that's on the altitude hold version.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say usually all that stuff is junk anyways.
I bumped up to rate 2 so I could handle the light breeze a little better. It's just a very like 3 mile an hour light breeze right now, but you see the rates. It's kind of fighting the wind okay, and this way it's going a lot faster. And we should have a rate 3. Yep. And there's rate 3 all the way over. That's as fast as I can get it to go in the wind. And then here's with the wind. Pretty fast. Now it does have some funny little rotation thing. I'm going to do a flip first, just to get that out of the way. The lights are just constantly blinking. That's so weird. Okay, it's not flipping. Probably because the camera is on.
Oh, jeez.
Yep. Won't do it.
Press
I want to hold it. Well, that flip button has a double function, and when you press and hold it, it's supposed to rotate really fast, so we're going to try that. I'm going to start over here because of the wind. and then I'm going to press and hold that button and see what it does. Look at it. There we go.
It's doing it by itself. That seems so goofy. Why couldn't you just do that yourself manually?
Good. I like it though. That's fun. See, that's full yaw rotation. Oops, that was me being a bad pilot. So full yaw rotation for me is this fast, okay? That's as fast as I can get it to go in rate 3. Now if I want to do the crazy rotation, I still have throttle management, but because of the wind it was drifting off. So I'm going to start over here and I'll put it in. I'll do the left.
Can't see it, the pole's in the way.
I'm going to do the left side. You hold the left button, which is the right button, and it goes crazy. Now when it's in that mode, all you have to do is push a direction and it will pull the quad out of that. So that's good. Oops, it's like headless mode or something.
Whoa, where is it? What are you doing?
There we go. I'm back. Never mind. I was disoriented. Sorry. I was disoriented. I could eat up this whole battery. It's actually pretty fun to fly, but I'm going to land and just let you fly.
Oh boy. I don't like this one.
Oh, it's just like your little ballerina quad, is what we called it.
What way's front? Red?
It's facing away now.
Light.
Yeah. There you go. Well, basically, while Abby flies this, it's a good little quad to fly. If it were $20 or $30 and it was just the quad, I'd say go for it. But the camera and the app combination are complete junk. It's all in a foreign language.
Yeah, you can't even read it. It's all...
Right.
Oh.
And this rarely happens these days. Nowadays, when you get a Wi-Fi FPV camera drone, it's at least in broken English, but they didn't even make any attempt to do that with this one. It's all in...
The only thing in English is the big play button.
Yeah, and it says play. Everything else is just in Chinese. Can't understand any of it. We should learn Chinese, shouldn't we?
Probably should.
Yeah. Anyway, the quad itself is nice. It flies really well, and I have no complaints about that at all. I'm sure you're enjoying flying it now, right?
Yeah, the app just makes me mad.
The app is horrible, so that means this one is definitely worth passing on. Guys, do you like when we tell you outright and straightforward? Look at her, she's doing the yaw thing. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, but why can't I just do that myself?
I don't know. Do you like when we tell you honestly, hey, you probably shouldn't buy this, but we still show you the product anyway? Or, oh, would you rather us just show you stuff that you should buy? I don't know. I think that it's good that we get these products and test them out and show you the truth of the RC
what
stuff.
You're asking them is, should we even bother showing the junk at this point?
Yeah. Because
you don't know if we don't, any newcomers to our channel will be like, you'll only say good things about stuff you...
Right. The sky's pretty right now.
If it was up to me, I would only show the good stuff.
Yeah, like maybe we could go out and test it and, okay, it's junk, don't even bother showing it, and only show the good stuff. But if that were the case, we'd only do like maybe a video a week.
Yeah, you're right.
No, we wouldn't have any videos to give everybody.
I don't know though, sometimes when we test the junk you get some funny footage from us.
I know. Because right now I really don't care about the drone at all because I told you not to buy it.
It is literally like 2 degrees.
It's very cold. We're struggling just to keep this in there.
Why is this battery lasting so long?
Yeah. Well, I think because this isn't a very good one, we really don't need to show the whole battery length. So you go ahead and land it.
Oh.
No, you're right. No flips. What are you doing? Where are you going? Abby left. She's just... Oh! That doesn't mean break it. Oh. Does it still? Oh, the camera popped off. Oh! I think that's the battery hatch. I didn't film it. You got it. Got it. I can't see anything. You guys probably can't see me. It's so cold outside. Everything's fogging up. Don't buy this drone. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.